Bonnie, happy Monday! Look at me doing 2 videos before noon. I also have my Goose Creek Honolulu ice cream candle burning, so we're gonna have a fun Monday. So yesterday in my travels, I did get to Trader Joe's. I'm going there like 3 times a week now. I highly recommend if you have a Trader Joe's near you to go often, because that's when you're going to catch a lot of their body care that sometimes gets sold out quickly, like the Brazil nut body oil. We got to talk about this stuff. So I love my Trader Joe's. I'll have to say they opened one up about 2 or 3 years ago in my area, and the parking lot is great. It's funny, one of the reasons I don't go to Aldi is we have like the worst parking lot at Aldi. You can never find a spot unless you walk like 10 miles. So I actually prefer Trader Joe's. They don't have a lot of candles. Sometimes they have like the candle tins or they have a bigger candle. It's not like Aldi though, where they have like a lot of candles, but they have really good body care at Trader Joe's, including the Brazil nut body oil. This is a delightful salted caramel and pistachio scent. It's wonderful. This smells so delicious, and they don't have it all the time. Usually in the summer you get the body cream, the scrub. I got a big bottle of the body wash the one year, and it was incredible. So these are $6.99. If you love this stuff, I highly recommend going in fast, because this does sell out. So this is what the oil looks like, and it feels wonderful. I'll have to say, I love their body oil. It's great. It absorbs fast. It's not sticky or greasy. And you know what I'm talking about when you smell this scent. It is the most beautiful caramel pistachio scent out there. I think they did just an amazing job. So this is now available. This is $6.99, which is a really good price too. I mean, I'll have to say, Trader Joe's, their prices are wonderful. So I also got the Valentine's Day limited edition lip mask duo. I haven't even opened it yet. These are $7.99, which is a little bit more for Trader Joe's, but you get 2 of them. I'm gonna pull these out here. One is a chocolate lip mask and one is the berry lip mask. So I'm gonna see, it says made with shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin C. And I'm just gonna try these out here. Look how cute these are. Okay, so the first one is the chocolate one. Are you ready? I can't really smell that much like in here, but we're gonna try this out on my hand a little bit. I like the formula. It's almost like, it's like a chocolate Vaseline. It's not super strong though. I gotta say, oh, there it is, a little bit more. Now I'm smelling it. It's not super strong. I'd like if it was just a hair stronger, but I love this formula. Because like I said, in the winter, I mean, my lips get really dry too. And it's like these Vaseline type of products. It's not Vaseline, it's shea butter, coconut oil, and vitamin C, but they've got that nice kind of thick consistency. These are great. Okay, so the next one is the berry lip mask. So this one is pink, and let me see what this one smells like. I don't know why these don't smell like super strong. Again, I love the formula. Let me do this. Now I smell it. It's funny. I like this berry scent though. Oh my gosh. I smell it a little bit more. I'm going to put the berry and the chocolate on together. Now I can kind of smell and taste the berry. They're not, like I said, really strong, but boy, this berry, I like the quality of this scent so much. I mean, it just like, it almost smells like a strawberry smoothie, which is nice. So I like these. I really do. Like I said, I like the formula. A little more pricey than the usual Trader Joe's products, but if you're looking for a good lip mask, I think this would be a really fun Valentine's Day gift. So I'm sure these are going to sell out super fast. This stuff always does at Trader Joe's, but I'm liking them. I'm excited, and I'm really excited that I got my Brazil nut body oil back. This is a good one. So anyway, I will keep going to Trader Joe's and check out what they have. You can also go online and kind of look in their website. You can't buy it online, but you can kind of look to see what's coming or what they have. So anyway, yay! I'm going to keep doing Trader Joe's. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.